On this episode of Monswag Garage, we're going to get into the interior of this dart. The plan for today is to get the seats out, get the carpet out, and then work on cleaning out some of that nasty mouse smell. I've got a couple of special guests today. This is my daughter Alexis.
Hi.
And her boyfriend Eric.
Hello.
They're here visiting from California, and they thought it'd be fun to help out with the carpet. We started by trying to get the door sills off. After a couple of days soaking in WD-40, Alexis cleaned off the bolts with a small brush, then a wire brush. She tried to get them out, but they wouldn't budge.
Hey, can you come help me with this?
Yeah, sure.
The screw's stuck in here.
Alright, let's see here. Can you press it down a little bit more? There, you can see it going.
Yeah.
Press it a little bit more. You got it? Alright, now you got it?
I mean, maybe.
After fending off the would-be ne'er-do-well, we went back to the door sills. We tried shocking them with a hammer, then we tried heat. The last bit, not such a great idea. So we decided to move on with removing the front seat.
So before we can get the carpet out, we have to unbolt this front seat from underneath the body. Let's do that right now.
Yeah, we're gonna move the camera over here so we're not filming your ass crack.
1 down, 3 to go.
Yeah, this is the fun part. Got one. Oh, I dropped it.
Is it just under the car?
Yeah. Now the bolts are undone. Let's get this thing out. You want to take the other side? I like it. You guys can't go home now. I like having a camera person. All right, seats out. Next up, I'm gonna get this carpet out. Sills don't want to come out. Screws, I'm really worried about stripping these out. I'll figure out how to get them out at a later date. So, it's the carpet knife. I'm just gonna cut along the bottom of the sills and get this stuff out of here. All right, now the carpet's freed up. It's time to get it out.
Hold on, it's stuck on something on this side. Just hold that up. Ew.
Old and nasty. Oh yeah. Ooh, classy.
Alright, there it is.
Ta-da! So after we pulled up the carpet and we're looking at the floor of the interior, saw a little green thing on the floor, and it's a dime. The dime that we see is dated 1967, same year as the car. So that's pretty cool.
So now that we got the carpet out, let's take a look and see what we got. We talked a little bit in a previous video about some of the holes we knew we had, like this one here. But this one, that's, oh yeah, air conditioning. But that's just at the front. As we kind of pan around to the back here and take a look, it's actually in much better condition than I thought. We've got this little spot right here. From underneath the car, I thought this section here was all rotted out. But, I mean, it's pretty solid. Across the back, it's just kind of surface rust until you get over onto the other side. We'll go look at that here in a second. So over on the passenger side, we covered it in a previous video. We've got the rot on the floor here, and this is actually part of the torsion bar cross member that I just pulled up. So we'll have to get this patched out. And then there's a section right back here. There's a lot of rust running up the wall, and that kind of makes me wonder if the heater core is not leaking a little bit. Got this nice little pile of rust that we need to get cleaned out of here and see what it looks like under there. So in order to do that, let's grab our shop vac.
Hey there, handsome. What?
All right, now that we've got it all vacuumed out, looks good. We found another little thin spot here. We can just kind of take and push fingers through, so we'll have to get that taken care of, but we're gonna do a front floor pan, so that should take care of that. Well, we got the seats out, the carpet out, and the floors cleaned up, which was our goal for today. But I still gotta drive the car around, so we're gonna go ahead and put the front seat back in, so I don't have to sit on a milk crate. Seats in! Time to bolt it down.
As you can see, one of us is a little more experienced than the other one.
That's rude.
I thought he was going to struggle a little bit longer, that's why I pressed the button, but then he found it.
It's alright, he's got to do the second one.
Oh, that was only the first.
Yeah. Wow.
Whoops. Really didn't struggle with that one either.
How would your dad feel if we took out his car for a date night?
Sounds good to me.
What? It's been a good day. We got the seats out, we got the carpet out, we got the floors cleaned up, and now we have a good idea of what work needs to be done to repair these floor pans.
But now it's dinner time.
Yes. Shall we?
Yes. Hey, have you seen Eric?
Oh, he's around.